What to do when you're lost in a new city? First things first, stay calm. Take a deep breath and avoid panicking. Clear your mind to focus on finding a solution. Use navigation apps. Reach for your smartphone and open up a reliable navigation app like Google Maps. It'll pinpoint your location and suggest the best route to your destination. Look for landmarks. Take a moment to look around for recognizable landmarks or major streets nearby. They can serve as visual cues to help you orient yourself. Ask locals for help. If you're still unsure, don't hesitate to ask locals for directions. Most people are friendly and happy to assist lost travelers. So keep your cool, use navigation apps, identify landmarks, and don't hesitate to ask for help. Each journey is an adventure waiting to unfold. If you enjoyed these tips, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to get answers to your more what to do when situations.